is one of my power, sweet Becus. If I ask Hubby something, if you reason my sweet Becus, sharply, you don't ban for me. If you know, say, if you are the type that are complaining, say, na fake life, say, not be a husband, they ban and lie. It's because say your Becus not sweet, your Becus sour. Na ikosan. And men, they know they want to tell you, say, baby or my wife, your Becus is sour. They'll prefer to go they spend that for another girl where their Becus sweet for outside. That is why I they call myself my husband, wife, and side chick. You understand? My Becus sweet, well. Now because my husband, they buy even ahead for me. Okay? Go buy the whole country for me. So not be me say me you get Becus way sour. Okay? Start treating your Becus. Okay? Start taking proper care of your Becus. So that your own husband go they buy you this and buy you that. Not they carry your smelly Becus, they come social media, come they attack Mrs. Iyobsa. I be the time where be say you they spoil your Becus. I did there. You don't see the way I tell something maintain my Becus. I no spoil land. Now only children I use and bone. It's still dead there. You understand? Very sweet. You understand? Sweet Becus and not sour Becus. So I'm not the cause of your sour Becus. Okay? So that's it. Back to Suburban Gang. You are the best. Okay? So because then I bomb shots now I wear. And they like to wear boots. Okay? There is difference between sweet Becus and sour Becus. Sour Becus, if man shoot the agbola inside, everywhere go they smell. You go kill the man, you go buy the man straight. Why be say sweet Becus? If the man enter, see the Becus go just hold on. He go just hold on tight. The man go there out of this world. He go there heaven. Now there, if he don't on top of you, you don't observe and say, oh, your Becus is sweet here. Then you come to ask him, honey, you get a test straight. Where be say just come out, so you buy for me. You say, honey, you are too sweet. I go buy. Honey, I want buy perfume, or you buy for me. Go say, oh, I go buy. I go say, I'll come tell and say, put your hand for chest and swear whether you go buy. Go say, I swear, I go buy. He don't already swear, be that. Oh God, he don't already swear. The time we go take do what you want to finish. You understand? Me can ask and so yeah, I promise you. He say he promise me. Oh yeah, buy for me. He know if he say no because he don't already swear. You understand? So, okay, go and maintain your Becus, especially if you be the type where be say you dey attack Mrs. Iyobsa, you know say your Becus they smell well. Men know they like smelly Becus. Men know they spend for smelly Becus. You understand? You have to treat your Becus properly. They bath well. Sometimes lack of not bathing well, they cause virus to Becus. You understand? Try make you maintain your Becus so that it go they switch your man where before you go they dive on ahead for you, it don't go no. Okay? Sweet Becus is very, very important to man, to woman's life. If I lie, man, I die. Okay? If I lie, man, I die. If you get sweet Becus, no matter how they go fight you rich, how social media go drag your name rich. You see my husband, he said, no, I go nowhere. And I wish I accept. This I accept. This I accept. If Becus, that is my Becus too sweet too. He said no go live and you see if to say my Becus not sweet now. All this what they just they do. My husband don't run since. My husband not feel run now because my husband not go feel run leave me because he no say my type of Becus. You not go see her elsewhere. You understand? So it's very, very important, okay, to know Suburban Gang. Stop crying, okay? Go and take care of your Becus properly and thank me later. So make I wear my shoe. Okay, it's very important. How can you be in a man's life? You say man no they buy you anything when you have your pride in between your legs. Now be say my sister, na virus you carry. Nobody want associate with virus. Nobody want swim or bath inside virus. If they see manage swim or bath inside, but they don't spend money put. Okay, they not spend money put. See ya. If If I carry tight come out, I go wear tight. My kpekus shape, it go dey show. You don't go see any drop of water. You understand? You don't see any drop of water. So women, where be said that this group of women, where be said that they attack Mrs. Iyobsa, I challenge them, make them wear tight, make their kpekus front they show. Whether not be water go full everywhere, because the kpekus is walking on. They are walking around with various kpekus. You understand? So treat your kpekus, okay? Treat your kpekus. You'll see and say your husband or your baby father, he go start to they buy you this and buy you that. Okay? Treat your kpekus. They use kpekus sweetener, everything. They sell her online. Okay, they follow them, they buy. Don't just overlook it.
Becret cleaner.
Becret cleaner. Sorry, Becret cleaner is very important. Okay, very very important. Don't be saying you go just open Becret. Inside house, can you imagine some women? If man wants sleep with them, if man no open window, man no fit sleep with them. If man want sleep with them, if man no on AC, man no fit sleep with them. Then you not come online and come and be attacking Mrs. Iyobsa. Now you say me you spoil your kpekus. Go and take proper care of your kpekus. So let's wear our hairs, okay? Let's wear our hairs. So today makeup before put to. My dear, dance for us, Jare. They are jealous of you. Abio me no na. Now because I see they give the hot, you understand? I still they give they serve the hot. No, this is what they call Gaga baby. So you see this now my husband I ban for me. All my colored hair, now my husband they ban. You see, if your kpekus sweet, your husband go ban for you too. Okay? If your kpekus not get virus, your husband go ban for you. Thank you so much, Iyobsa. Thank you so much. I not do this bob well today. But maybe we just manage. Yes. This our husband, wife, and side chick for life. Now side chick now we do today. Maybe we wear earring so that we not go forget. I wear my gifted hand earring before we come dress our hair well. Oh, Kata they worry my baby. Thank you all so much. Which husband go see wife they like this? Where Igbola no go stand? As my husband like that there, Igbola don't they stand, they call me. Only I lie.